Welcome back, y'all. Now it's time for a little glimpse into life in the RV. This is a party prep for our son Oakley's first birthday. Here I'm just preparing some stuff the night before, making a smash cake and some cupcakes. To make life on myself a little easier, I just bought gluten-free box cake mix. Super simple. All you need is water, melted butter, vanilla, and eggs. Make sure you prepare your cake pan before you pour the batter in. I find it easier to just rub some butter on the bottom and the sides. It helps your cake not to stick and is so much easier to slide out when it's done baking. Next, I prepared the icing, if you can even say prepared. I just got a simple pre-packaged vanilla icing. I think this brand was gluten-free too. Just add some food coloring and it's almost as if it's homemade. Like I said earlier, if you want to make life easier, go for the already prepared products. It's also more convenient, especially living in an RV, less ingredients, so you're taking up less space, less dishes, which means less cleanup, and obviously what mom doesn't love, less cleanup. Here, I just cut out 2 circles to assemble the smash cake. Then I always make sure to put some icing in between the cake layers to act as almost like a glue to help keep them together. Then you can cover the cake with your icing and decorate however you want. If you're watching this and you know Oakley, or if you've ever met him, you know he is the happiest, smiliest baby. When he was real little, people would ask, is he always this happy? So I only found it fitting that the theme for his birthday would be one happy dude with lots of smiley faces and following the color scheme of yellow, black, and white. To draw on the cake, I'm just using some black colored food gel. Also, another tip if you're making a homemade smash cake, the past few years I have put it in the fridge overnight when I'm done. And that's honestly not the best option because it becomes too hard and it's really hard for the kids to smash the next day. So I suggest after you're done making it to just wrap it with some saran wrap and just leave it on the counter overnight. Next up was decorating the cupcakes. I just used the same icing and put it in a piping bag. I used the piping gel to decorate, then added some fun sugar eyeballs to make them look like smiley faces. They turned out so cute, minus their oblong shape. I didn't have a cupcake pan, which I now have added to our RV kitchen stuff. So I had to use a regular pan, and the cupcakes unfortunately didn't keep their shape, but they were still cute, and obviously the kids loved them, and the adults did too.
Hello? Oh, hi, Rose. Yeah.
What? What's
It's funny you should mention. Anyway, thank you for everything. Really. Miss McHale, please. I'm sorry.
Now, time for the balloon arch. If you've seen any of my other posts, you know this is a staple for my kids' birthdays. I've made one for all of Lila's birthdays and so many other functions like Super Bowl and bachelorette parties. It's seriously so easy to make. I will make sure that I link everything in the description box below. So I just kept this one pretty simple, keeping with the theme of black, white, and yellow balloons. Normally, I would make all of this the night before and have it hung up to surprise the kids in the morning, but the balloon pump is pretty loud, and being in an RV now, it's obviously closer quarters, so that really wasn't an option. It was actually pretty fun doing it with the kids, and they even had a blast helping out. I even captured this cute little moment with Oakley, which was just too bittersweet the day before his first birthday.
We're gonna be what, Chicago? You're gonna be so big. Why are you so big?
If you have little ones helping out, you can make it fun, but also educational if you want. Every now and then, I would work on colors with Lila and ask her to hand me a balloon based on a certain color. I would say, hey, Lila, can you pass me a black balloon or can you pass me a white balloon? And she had a blast doing it and probably didn't even know that she was learning while helping.
Mama.
So, obviously, in an RV, you're a little limited on space to hang a balloon arch, but this spot worked perfect. I just tied some yarn to each side of the balloon arch, then tied it to the cabinet handles. And of course, to continue with the theme, I just took a black marker and added some smiley faces to a few of the balloons. Now, last on my list for homemade decorations was just a cute little 1-year banner to go on Oakley's high chair for when he eats his smash cake. This was pretty simple. Everything I got to make this, I either already had or just purchased from the Dollar Tree. All you need is some construction paper and markers for the sign, obviously in whatever color goes with your theme, then some yarn or string and some tape to attach it to the high chair, and some colored ribbons if you want to add a little extra. One tip I have is to make sure before you even begin putting all of the sign together that you measure out the string to go around the high chair so you have enough and don't run out of space. Then after you're done with the sign, you just fold your string in half and figure out where the middle of it is, and then tape the sign in the middle of the yarn or string. And then when you're done with that, whatever ribbons you cut out, you can tie them on from the sign outward. And I just love these little moments that happen when filming too. Tacoma, our pup, decided to join and supervise the birthday prep. Like I said before, the RV is close quarters, so you just kind of have to roll with the punches when it comes to space. And that's all for the party prep. Now it's time to celebrate Oakley turning 1. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, a little glimpse into RV life. Now, obviously, you don't have to do all the DIY party prep. If all that works for you is buying a few balloons and a pre-made sign on Amazon, then go ahead and do that. Honestly, your kids are going to love it, remember it, and be so excited no matter what. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, follow us on Instagram, and enjoy the rest of the video. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Oakley. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Show them how you do it, Lila. Yay!
Oh, that was quick.
Ooh, what is that?
Tacoma low. Eat it.
Tacoma.
You
Go.
eat it. Lego. We're going to start eating cake, Mom. Can I have a cake?
Hold on. You can have a cupcake.
Oh,
You can't do it.